Let's present awards for
Tour 2.
Laki ng chiki.
The joint third place, Nitin Kumar from India.
Hey!
Alma from Philippines.
Pre, kaway mo na, pre. Pre.
From Philippines.
Ay, tama na agad.
The runner-up, Hogol Wang from Hong Kong.
Ayun. Andun pala. Si Lawrence.
Hello. Tayo din.
Ikaw pala? No, ikaw pala nag-champion? Oo,
Ayun ang champion, no? Ayun ang champion. Second from Hong Kong. Champion ng Tour 2.
And now we're going to present the award to the champion, Lawrence Lagan.
Puta na pag si Lawrence, ang lakas ang boses ng announcer. Ayun, no? Tour 2. Top 4 ng Tour 2. Dalawang Pinoy uli. Isang Indian, tsaka Hong Kong.
Let's get photo together.
Hey! Now, we're going to play Tour 3.
Sumisingit si ano sa picture.
Congrats!